Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best generators for RVs on Amazon. The open road calls and setting off for destinations unknown in a recreational vehicle, RV, unplugging from everything, is more important than ever to escape our world's day-to-day craziness. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Champion 4500-watt dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter generator. This 4500-watt dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter generator features an electric start and runs on gasoline or propane. On gasoline, it provides up to 7.5 hours of run time and up to 14.5 hours on propane. It features a nice variety of connections, including a 120-volt 30-amp RV outlet, 2 120-volt 30-amp household outlets, and a 12-volt DC outlet with a dual USB adapter. The generator has a low-oil shutoff sensor, a 3-position ignition switch, and a quick touch panel. With a manufacturer-claimed 59 bar rating, it operates pretty quietly for a generator and provides clean power for sensitive electronics. What we like about it: dual-fuel feature provides on-the-go flexibility. Claimed low decibel rating, great for campsites. Relatively lightweight and maneuverable. Easy electric starting mechanism. What we don't like about it: fuel tank is on the small side. Lack of a run timer. Battery needs to be recharged if you don't use it regularly. Number 2. Champion 3800-watt dual-fuel RV-ready portable generator. This 3800-watt generator from Champion operates on either gasoline or propane, making it a versatile option for RV owners. It has a low-oil shut-off function and an electric start that gets the 224cc engine running. And it comes with a propane hose, a 4.7-gallon gasoline fuel tank, and can run up to 14 hours on a full tank of gas or 10.5 hours on propane. It also has a 68 bar noise level from 23 feet away. The unit weighs 119 pounds but has a folding handle and never flat tires for portability, and the IntelliGauge allows users to see voltage, hertz, and run time. It has one 120V30A RV outlet, a 120V30A locking outlet, and 2 120V20A household outlets. What we like about it: dual fuel feature provides on-the-go flexibility. Relatively lightweight and maneuverable. Easy electric starting mechanism. What we don't like about it: some buyers actually report louder decibel ratings. Handles may not be ideally placed. Additional reports of power button malfunctions. Number 3. Wen Super Quiet Inverter Generator. This 2250-watt gas-powered portable RV generator is very lightweight, making it easy to move around on the go. The fuel shutoff increases its lifespan by using all the fuel in the carburetor, and it is reportedly quiet, only producing 53 decibels of noise. The generator also has several connection ports, including 2 3-prong 15A 120V receptacles and 2 5V USB ports for added versatility. This unit is designed to work with sensitive electronics, including computers and smartphones. It generates power without voltage drops or spikes and automatically adjusts the fuel consumption based on how many items you plug into it. The generator comes with a 2-year warranty. What we like about it: extremely portable compared to most generators. Low decibel rating claimed by manufacturer. Lightweight and maneuverable. What we don't like about it: only a 1-gallon fuel tank. Owners report short service life and questionable customer care. Side panel reportedly is not high quality. Number 4. Honda 2200-watt 120-volt super quiet portable inverter generator. While keeping things simple with a single 20A 125V duplex outlet. At just 54 pounds, with a 48 to 57 bar range, making it perfect for outdoor get-togethers, tailgating, or whatever else you want to throw at it. It also features the Honda Co-Minder function, which continuously monitors carbon monoxide (CO) levels and automatically shuts down the generator if levels get too high. Perhaps the coolest feature of this generator is that it works with Honda's My Generator smartphone app. What we like about it: Small and lightweight for easy portability. Honda's smartphone app offers remote operation and monitoring. What we don't like about it. Not cheap for the size. Some challenges with Bluetooth pairing. Only one outlet at 20A125V duplex. Only powerful enough for smaller RV use. Number 5. Westinghouse 3600V portable generator. The generator has a 30-amp 120-volt outlet to power an RV or travel trailer, and no additional adapters are required. Weighing 99 pounds, this compact machine is also designed for camping, home use, and as an emergency backup. It's constructed of hardened steel with roll bars and durable rubber outlet covers. What we like about it. RV plug-and-play connections included. Low claim decibel rating. Good run time means more campsite fun. What we don't like about it. Buyers have reported damage during shipping. No wheels makes portability challenging. Manual recoil start versus electric. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.